NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has barely begun its mission, and already the universe appears more mysterious and beautiful than humanity ever imagined. Each of the countless tiny dots in its breathtaking images represents not just stars, but galaxies, many larger than our own. The James Webb Space Telescope has pierced the silence of the cosmos, revealing sights never meant for human eyes. What it has uncovered is not just awe-inspiring but at times deeply alarming. It has observed ancient galaxies that defy our understanding of time, mysterious alien worlds, and now looming cosmic threats that may be headed straight for Earth. NASA is on high alert, and the question on everyone's mind is, are we prepared for what's coming? The James Webb Space Telescope has propelled humanity further into the unknown than ever before. Its revelations are thrilling, terrifying, and transformative, shaking the very foundation of our understanding of the cosmos. With its enormous mirrors and cutting-edge technology, this billion-dollar machine has captured the faint light from galaxies formed billions of years ago. These ancient structures, glowing red from the expanding fabric of space, appear larger and brighter than expected. Their strange, chaotic forms challenge prevailing theories about what early galaxies should look like. Some are so massive that they contain more stars than modern galaxies, leaving scientists puzzled as to how they grew so rapidly after the Big Bang. Among its many discoveries, the telescope has also observed stars in the final stages of their lives. Some of these stars, enormous beyond comprehension, have expanded into fiery red giants, exhausting the last of their nuclear fuel. Others, smaller but equally dramatic, are shedding their outer layers in luminous clouds of gas. These dying stars, perched on the brink of explosive demise, are haunting reminders of the universe's violent cycle of destruction and rebirth. The telescope has also delivered stunning images of nebulae, where the remnants of these dead stars create intricate, colorful clouds, a cosmic canvas painted by the forces of stellar death. Turning its attention to exoplanets, the James Webb Space Telescope has achieved the unimaginable, peering into the atmospheres of worlds beyond our solar system. By analyzing light passing through these alien skies, it has identified water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide, and other molecules vital for life. On one planet, clouds of silicate suggest skies where molten rock rains down. Another planet orbiting, a faint red star shows hints of liquid water, suggesting the possibility of life. These discoveries reveal worlds that are both eerily familiar and utterly alien, broadening our conception of what planets can be. One world in particular stands out, a planet residing in the habitable zone of its star. Webb has uncovered signs of an atmosphere rich in water vapor, alongside baffling chemical fingerprints. Strange fluctuations in its light suggest the presence of complex weather systems, or perhaps even unknown biological activity. This planet is now under intense scrutiny and could become the first solid evidence of a world capable of sustaining life as we know it. As we gaze into the depths of the cosmos, we are reminded that humanity is a rare and fragile existence, adrift on a pale blue dot in an immense and dynamic universe. Our technology continues to improve, yet the scale of space remains beyond comprehension. Telescopes like James Webb are our eyes into this unfathomable expanse, helping us witness wonders we might never reach. Using data from Webb, scientists have uncovered 6 planets in the Gliese 6167 system, with 3 or 4 potentially being habitable super-Earths, rocky planets larger than Earth but smaller than gas giants. These worlds reside in the system's habitable zone, showing Earth-like conditions that make them prime candidates for further study. Perhaps even more astonishing than discovering new worlds is the possibility that they may be home to intelligent life. Mysterious signals and anomalies have sparked speculation throughout the scientific community. Some objects exhibit behavior that cannot be explained by natural phenomena, changing speed or direction in coordinated, artificial seeming ways. While scientists remain cautious, the possibility of alien civilizations cannot be ignored. Adding to this mystery are complex chemical signatures in the atmospheres of multiple planets, compounds that do not form naturally and may suggest industrial or biological processes. Scientists are meticulously analyzing this data, knowing that the confirmation of extraterrestrial life would fundamentally change human history. Webb has also revealed new details about complex star systems. Multi-star systems, once thought too unstable to support life, have now been observed in detail. Surprisingly, many show remarkable stability, offering yet more potential homes for life. The telescope has peered into stellar nurseries, dusty regions where stars are born, capturing the delicate dance of gravity, gas, and light that forms new suns. These snapshots reveal the ongoing story of cosmic creation. Yet, among the wonder, there are unsettling discoveries. Webb has detected what appear to be artificial signals, highly organized bursts of light from deep space. Scientists are analyzing these flashes for patterns that could indicate communication. The idea that we may be intercepting messages from another civilization is both exhilarating and daunting. The search for alien life is no longer the stuff of fantasy. It feels closer than ever. This telescope is not just a tool. It is humanity's beacon in the darkness. Each answer it brings generates new questions, drawing us deeper into the unknown. But alongside revelations come threats, both cosmic and man-made. Our pursuit of space has left behind a trail of space pollution. Thousands of defunct satellites, collision fragments, and rocket debris now clutter Earth's orbit. This space junk, traveling at lethal speeds, endangers active satellites vital for communication, navigation, and weather forecasting. A single collision could trigger a catastrophic chain reaction, known as the Kessler syndrome, potentially rendering low Earth orbit unusable for generations. And beyond our own debris lie far greater dangers. From asteroid impacts to solar flares, Earth is vulnerable to sudden cosmic catastrophes. One particularly dangerous asteroid is Bennu, roughly the size of the Empire State Building. It has a small chance of impacting Earth in the 22nd century, but even that slim possibility demands attention. A collision would release energy on a scale equivalent to billions of tons of TNT. NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission has already collected samples from Bennu to better understand its composition and trajectory, aiding future mitigation efforts. Another, asteroid Apophis, once raised alarm for its potential collision with Earth in 2029. Though further observation has ruled out an impact, Apophis will pass closer than many satellites, providing an unprecedented opportunity for close-up study and improved planetary defense. Meanwhile, our Sun presents a far more immediate threat. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections blast intense radiation and charged particles into space. When aimed at Earth, these solar storms can disrupt radio communications, damage satellites, and cause widespread blackouts. The 1989 solar storm that left millions in Quebec without power was a stark warning. Today, with our dependence on technology, such an event would be far more catastrophic. To defend against solar storms, scientists are investing in space weather forecasting. Satellites like NASA's Solar and Heliospheric Observatory monitor the Sun for signs of activity, providing early warnings. Engineers are also working to harden electrical grids and satellite systems, improving resilience against solar threats. Among the most mysterious threats are rogue planets, celestial wanderers ejected from their original star systems. While unlikely to strike Earth, their gravitational influence could disrupt the orbits of asteroids or even entire planets. If one entered our solar system, it could dislodge objects from the Kuiper Belt or Oort cloud, sending them hurtling toward Earth. Even small orbital shifts could have devastating consequences. Despite the danger, rogue planets spark scientific curiosity. Some may retain internal heat, or have thick atmospheres capable of trapping warmth, potentially allowing subsurface oceans or microbial life. As Webb continues to explore the universe, we hope to learn more about these nomadic worlds, turning fear into fascination. These threats, from asteroids and solar flares to rogue planets, underscore how fragile life on Earth is. Yet they also highlight our resilience. Humanity is actively developing solutions like kinetic impactors and gravity tractors to deflect asteroids. International collaboration, public awareness, and sustained investment in space research are crucial for defending our planet. And then there are the cosmic monsters, black holes, first popularized in fiction and then made real by the iconic image captured by the Event Horizon Telescope. Black holes remain one of the universe's greatest enigmas. These celestial giants devour everything in their path. Light, stars, even time itself. Once something crosses their event horizon, it is lost forever. Black holes distort space and time so severely that the laws of physics begin to break down. Predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity, black holes represent the ultimate gravitational object. They warp the fabric of space-time to such an extent that even time slows near them. Their ability to bend reality makes them not just mysterious, but terrifying. The possibility of a black hole lurking in the center of our galaxy, waiting silently, reminds us how little we still know, and how vast and wild the cosmos truly is.